Dear students, here is the video clip explaining question number 10A of exercise 10.3. We are given with a figure. In this figure, what we have to do is, you can see in your textbook, by splitting the following figures into rectangles. These figures we need to split into rectangles. After dividing them in different rectangles, we need to find the area of those rectangles. Written here, the measures are given in centimeters. Whatever numbers are written here now, all these are in centimeters, that is 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter and so on. So the first step is just split it into different rectangles. How do we split into rectangles? Pay attention. We'll start from top. You can see this portion has this much part and then here, so we can join a line like this, and this now can be considered as one rectangle. Okay, now if we move further, come to this point, and again we can split it like this, can be considered as rectangle. Okay, now we have this point, and if we join this, can be considered as rectangle. This already became as rectangle. So the complete figure can give us, has given us 4 rectangles. You can see already divided the figure into rectangles. Our half of the part is finished here. Now we need to find the area of all these rectangles. We know area of rectangle is length into breadth. So first we will write like area of first rectangle. Okay, this is your first rectangle. Okay, just concentrate from this line to this one, then here till here. Just concentrate only this much and forget about this figure. Okay, yes. So this is the long portion. So we can say this is the length of the figure number 1, right? So what is the length? 4 given here. We can say length equal 4 centimeter for the first figure. You can say this portion already written here 3. So breadth can be considered as 3 centimeter for our figure 1. So length into breadth is the area of rectangle. 4 into 3 will be 12 centimeter square. We are done with finding the area of the first rectangle. Moving ahead with this point, second rectangle, which begin from here to here, then upside only till here, and this is straight, not complete, only till here, this much. Okay, this is our second rectangle. We need to know length and breadth of our second rectangle. So first we will write area of second rectangle. You can see this is the long portion. Length already we can say 4, given here na in your book also. This is 4 already given in the figure. So length equal to 4 centimeter. We want to know this portion, breadth, right? Only this much is the breadth of our rectangle number 2. So we do not know the breadth, not given. We need to find this breadth. How do we find this breadth now? If you see in your figure, this line complete measures 4 centimeter. So if this straight line measure 4 from here till last equal to this now, this to say this is 4. So starting from here till this last will also definitely be 4 because they are equal lines na. But we do not want this complete, we want only this much portion. So figure has this portion as 3. So if this is 4 and this much is 3, we want only for this much. So we can say like now 4 minus 3 equal to 1 centimeter can be the breadth of this figure, this portion, for sure we can say, right? So we get the breadth, that is 1 centimeter. L into B, 4 centimeter square will be the breadth of the second figure. right? Now we will move forward with the third rectangle, which is from this portion to this complete line, and then upside, and then this much. Okay, now how do we find the length and breadth here? You can see here, this portion we do not know what is the length, but we know this line's measurement is already given. Starting from here till here, measurement is given 2. So we can say area of third rectangle, length we do not know still, but breadth we know is 2 centimeter. You can see already given in the figure, this is 2 centimeter. We want to know this portion complete, we want to know. Okay, now how can we know? You can see here, first of all, it is written this much is 4. Okay, this much is 4. So if this is 4, so we can say na, this also can be 4. Agar itna is 4, तो from here till here will also be 4. Okay, so this much we can write here 4. But we do not want only this much. Our third rectangle is this complete line. What about this portion now? So for this, you come to this portion now. Complete is 3. Okay, this is complete 3. And out of this 3, we have this 2 given here. So what we can say? 3 minus this 2, this much will be 1, right? So from here till here we have 1, and this complete is 4. So 4 plus 1 will be the length of our second portion, that is 5 centimeter. I hope this 5 is clear to everyone. Once again I'll tell how. You can see our third rectangle is complete. This complete is our third rectangle. Okay, so breadth already we know is 2. What about this complete length? So this complete length, if you see, it is written here 4, right? So half of the portion we got it clear, 4. But we want this portion also. Now how come we will get this portion? For knowing this much part, if you see, this is written here 2, but we want only this much, right? And downside is given 3. So 3 minus 2, the left out portion we get 1. So 4 plus 1 will be 5, and your area will be breadth, that is 5 into 2 equal 10 centimeter square. Got it? Now the last one, area of fourth rectangle, the smallest one we have here. You can see right from here till here, this portion is our fourth one. So already given here 1 with the first side. So we will write here what is that? Breadth equal to 1 centimeter. We need to know the length again. So how can we know the length here? This we want to know. Okay, this complete portion we want to know. If you see, this from here till here is given 3. Itna is 3. Okay, and this complete we find it out 5. Okay, you can see. We want the length only of this much. This much we want the length, right? But in our figure we have this much 3 and this complete as 5. 4 and 1 5. So 3 and 5 can we subtract to get this as 2? Yes, we can do. So length we will write here 5 minus 3 equal 2 centimeter. I hope clear again. Very simple. You can see this starting from here till here is 3. We want only for this much, na? Only this much we want. And this complete we find it out that this is 5. So if this is 5 and out of this much is 3. So what about this? 5 minus 3 equal 2 centimeter, right? So we got the length and the breadth again. Length into breadth equal 2 into 1, 2 centimeter square. We are done with finding all the four. Area of first one we got 12 centimeter. Area of the second one we got 4 centimeter square. Third one we are done with 10 centimeters, and the last one we are done with 2 centimeter square. We need to find the area of the complete figure, that is 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 10 26, plus 2 28 centimeter square. We will write area of the given figure is 28 centimeter square. That's how we will find the area by splitting the figure into rectangles.